Hello friends, today we are to see how you can find your virtual environment in Python or the virtual env in Python, and you are to use two methods. And our first method, we are going to see how you can find your virtual environment using the PyCharm or any code editor. It can be Visual Studio or any other code editor of your choice. However, for my case, I want to use PyCharm because that's what I prefer. And the second method shows how you can use your command prompt on Windows. So let's dive in. Method 1, using a code editor like PyCharm. So you go to your terminal and then click on this arrow, then click on this command prompt. Open your command prompt within your code editor. Then type here this command. Where Python. Then click OK. So what you see are these three lines. That's the path to your virtual environment in Python. So that's our method 1. Let's go to method 2. So for method 2, open your command prompt. Then type this command within the command prompt, where Python. Then click enter. So these two lines, that's your location. That's the location to your virtual environment in Python. That's it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Like and share. You can also check out my blog post. My information link is in the description below. Nice time. Bye bye.